Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by ensuring Panda VPN is installed and updated. Open the app and sign in. Select a server that balances ping and region access, nearby for low latency, foreign for content. Once connected, verify your IP and country in the VPN status. Do this now. You want the tunnel active before launching Efootball to prevent authentication or matchmaking mismatches, and to make sure the client binds to the VPN interface rather than your regular network. Next, optimize Panda VPN for play. Switch to WireGuard or UDP if available, because they reduce latency compared to TCP. If you need local services unchanged, enable split tunneling and add Efootball so only the game goes through the VPN, otherwise route all traffic. Run a quick ping test to the game servers and try a couple of nearby hosts. Keep the one with the lowest stable ping. Make adjustments and save the profile, then reconnect to apply settings. Finally, launch Efootball while the VPN remains connected and check online menus. Matchmaking, store, and friends should work. If any region lock prevents content, make sure the VPN reports the intended country and relaunch the game. If you see high ping, reconnect to a different server or toggle the protocol. If authentication errors occur, clear the game cache and sign back into both Panda VPN and the game. One tip: restart the router only if DNS or persistent routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.